Hey guys, so today is Monday, January 14th, and that means that today was day one of T25, and so I feel really good. I had a great workout this morning. Hair is looking cute, so I'm loving this hairstyle. I'll probably be rocking this for the majority of T25 because these are heatless, low maintenance curls that I know are gonna last me all week. So excited about that. So I just want to show you quickly what my dinner is for tonight. So you guys know I meal prepped yesterday. So basically I turned my tacos into a bowl. Sorry, it's a bit messy, but real life. So I used some of my leftover brown rice, the same ground turkey and chicken with the rest of my bell peppers. And then I used my orange container to add a little bit of soy sauce. So it's like a nice little teriyaki bowl, and I am enjoying it while I edit tonight's video and watch La Reina del Sur. Hey guys, so I am in the process of making dinner tonight. And if you remember from Sunday's meal prep, I got some Roma tomatoes. So I sliced those up. This is a recipe for my mom, but it's super quick and easy. Just slice up your tomatoes kind of thick and then top them with pesto sauce and any cheese of your choice. And then you put them in the oven on broil, and you have to watch it like for 2 to 3 minutes so you can get this nice kind of broiled cheese on top, so it tastes really good. And then I'm having my green beans tonight, so just letting those steam up and cook. I got some chicken left, and then I'm gonna put all of that on a bed of spinach here that I've seasoned with my Mrs. Dash garlic and herb. I love a little spice, so the extra spicy pink Himalayan salt and pepper. And then I think I'm gonna use a little bit of this dressing. I'm not sure. And I have a glass of red wine as well tonight. So that is dinner. I'll show you guys how it looks once it's all put together. OMG guys, my plate looks so delicious. I cannot wait to dive in. So this is a fun way to have a salad. You know, I don't really like salads, but the fact that I'm basically eating my chicken and green beans and tomatoes over spinach is like, and it's hot, it's not like super cold, like just the spinach is out of the refrigerator, but everything else is heated. So to me, it just is more satisfying than it being a cold salad. Sorry, my telenovela. So yeah, I'm going to eat dinner now. Hey guys, so I don't know if I've showed you my calendar over here, but I have completed 4 days of T25 so far, and I also put in some prizes for myself. So I shared on my Insta stories already, so you probably already heard this, but for week 2, so next week, and week 4, I have my 2 massage dates. So I just go to the mall and I do one of the little massages there. So it's not like a spa, it's not super luxurious, but it's really good. They do really good deep tissue massages, and you get a punch card. So like after so many services, you get like a discount. So I love doing that, especially with a program like this. You want to do a lot of deep stretching, foam rolling, all that kind of stuff. So as long as I complete all of the workouts leading up to Sunday, I get to go get my massage. So the 3rd week I have Fenty because I really want to get the new concealer and setting powder. And then the last week, week 5, for the alpha part of the program, then there's the beta, that's the week 5 through 10. But for the first 5 weeks, I have the Apple AirPods is like my big grand prize. And then I will wipe out the X's and the prizes and put new prizes and start all over again to do the beta program, which is weeks 5 through 10. So over here is dinner. I used some of my corn tortillas. Let me show you guys. These ones. So I cut these up and drizzled a little bit of olive oil and some of my pink Himalayan salt, and I baked them in the oven 400 degrees for about 6 minutes. So I did 3 minutes on one side and 3 minutes on the other side, but I really paid attention to them because I wanted them to get nice and crispy but not too burnt. So like the edges are nice and brown and golden, but and they're like, here, let me see. Did you hear the crunch? So I have that. Using up the rest of my ground turkey brown rice, I added some spinach, like a whole bunch of spinach, and then it just cooked down. Like I said, I always try to sneak in my vegetables where I can. So I have my bowl over here. I'm gonna put in some chips and cut up half of my avocado, and that's gonna be dinner tonight. Guys, here's my bowl: the ground turkey, brown rice, sauteed spinach, my avocado on top with some pink Himalayan salt, pepper, and chili flakes, and my homemade chips. So I'm just gonna kind of like eat it with a fork slash, you know, dip my tortilla chips in there, and I am excited about this. How delicious does that look? Yum. Maybe that needs to be a thumbnail.